मैं डॉक्टर राधा कृष्ण झा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, यूनिवर्सिटी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बॉटनी, रांची यूनिवर्सिटी, रांची। आज मैं अपने एमएससी बॉटनी सेमेस्टर 2 के बच्चों को रेडियो खांची के माध्यम से इकोलॉजी एंड इकोसिस्टम के टॉपिक पर बताना चाहूँगा। आज मेरे लेक्चर का कंटेंट्स होगा डिफिनीशन ऑफ इकोलॉजी, स्कोप ऑफ इकोलॉजी, definition of ecosystem, kinds of ecosystem, structure and function of ecosystem. First of all, हम लोग definition of ecology को देखते हैं. It deals with the various principles that govern such relationship between an organism and its environment. इसको हम लोग दूसरे तरह से भी कह सकते हैं कि रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड देयर इन्वायरमेंट। अब हम लोग देखते हैं इकोलॉजी शब्द पहले कहाँ से आया। सबसे पहले इकोलॉजी वर्ड रीटर ने 1868 ईस्वी में इंट्रोड्यूस किया कि द टर्म इकोलॉजी बाय कंबाइनिंग द टू ग्रीक वर्ड्स, पहला ओकोस मीन्स हाउस और दूसरा लोगस मीन्स स्टडी, टू डिनोट such relationships between the organisms and its environment. पुनः दूसरे साइंटिस्ट ओडम ने 1960 में इकोलॉजी को डिफाइन किया कि द स्टडी ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन ऑफ इकोसिस्टम्स और द स्टडी ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन ऑफ नेचर। अब हम लोग स्कोप ऑफ इकोलॉजी को देखते हैं। ये इस प्रकार है। फर्स्ट, इकोलॉजी प्लेज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन ह्यूमन वेलफेयर। सेकेंड वन इज मॉडर्न इकोलॉजी इज कंसर्न्ड with the functional interdependency between living things and their environment. स्कोप ऑफ इकोलॉजी पर एक साइंटिस्ट टॉयलर ने 1936 में पॉइंटेड किया द स्कोप ऑफ इकोलॉजी by stating that ecology is the science of all the relations of all organisms to all their environment. Ecology plays an important role in agriculture, management of grassland, forestry, biological survey, pest control, fishery biology, conservation of soil, wildlife, water supplies and environmental pollution. अब इकोसिस्टम को देखते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एक साइंटिस्ट एजी टेंसले ने 1935 ईस्वी में emphasized the role of environment. His comprehensive term ecosystem involving all physical and biotic factors working in a complex. In other words, he defined as the system resulting from the integration of all the living and non-living factors of the environment. In other words, we can say that biotic plants as well as animals and abiotic physical and chemical characters factors are live in the same harmonical condition called ecological system or ecosystem, and it also includes flow of energy and cycling of minerals. अब हम लोग kinds of ecosystem देखते हैं। Natural ecosystem, these operate by themselves under natural conditions without any major interference by man based upon the particular kind of habitat. These are further divided as first, terrestrial means as forest, grassland, desert, etc. Second one is aquatic, which may be distinguished as first, freshwater, which may be first, lotic, means running water as a spring, a stream and river. Second one is lentic, means standing water, as lake, pond, pools and ditches. दूसरा marine, such deep bodies as an ocean or shallow ones as a sea, etc. अब हम लोग स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन ऑफ इकोसिस्टम को देखते हैं. स्ट्रक्चर, we mean that first, the composition of the biological community, including species, number, biomass, life history, and distribution. Second one, the quantity and distribution of the non-living materials such as nutrients and water, etc. The range of gradient of conditions of existence such as temperature, light, etc. अब हम लोग उसके फंक्शन को देखते हैं. फर्स्ट, द रेट ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल फंक्शन, द रेट ऑफ biological flow of energy, that is the production and respiration rates of the community. Second one is nutrient cycle, rate of materials. Third one is biological और ecological regulation. अब हम लोग स्ट्रक्चर को देखते हैं. An ecosystem has two major components. First, abiotic non-living components. It includes the amount of inorganic substances, for the example, phosphorus, sulfur, carbon, nitrogen, magnesium, manganese, etc. involved in material cycles. Second one, amount and distribution of inorganic chemicals such as chlorophyll, etc., and of organic materials such as proteins, carbohydrates, lipid, etc. Second one is biotic living components. This is the trophic structure of any ecosystem where living organisms are distinguished on the basis of their nutritional relationship. From the trophic nutritional, an ecosystem has two components. First, autotrophic component. This component is constituted by green plants. Members of the autotrophic component are known as producer on the first trophic level. Second one is the heterotrophic component, in which utilization, rearrangement, and decomposition of complex materials. The organisms involved are also known as consumers, as they consume the matter built up by the producers. The consumers are further categorized. First, macro consumers. These are the consumers. They occur in a food chain. They are herbivores, carnivores. Herbivores are also known as primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers on the second trophic level. If present, carnivorous on the third trophic level. Second one is micro consumers. These are micro consumers. These are commonly known as decomposers, as they are saprotroph, including bacteria and fungi, which break down the complex compound of dead living protoplasm. Thus, the biotic component of any ecosystem may be functional kingdom of nature. They are based on nutrition and energy source used. The trophic structure of an ecosystem is one kind of producer then consumers arrangement, where each food level is known as trophic level. Reference: first, Ecology and Environment by P.D. Sharma. Second book, The टेक्स्ट बुक प्लांट इकोलॉजी बाय RS अम्बस्ट। धन्यवाद।